Mommy, look. Where's the giraffe? Good, yay! Okay, come here, look. Where's the panda? Where's the panda? Wait, where are you going? Where's the hippo? Where does the hippo go? Mama, he's upside down. Look at the hippo. Look at the hippo. Okay. Go. Where's the hippo? Yay! Okay, where does the elephant go? Look at the elephant. Look at the elephant. How does he go in there? Good job. Yay! Excellent. Where's the tiger? Very good. Yay! Okay, how about the lion? Where's the lion go? Uh-oh. Where's the lion go? Yay! Alright! Woohoo! Yay! You did it! Good job. You gonna do it again?